Hey everyone, welcome back. So we're reaching new stages of growth right now. Hopefully you're all doing fantastic because we are coming in for unprecedented times. Right now, Robinhood, is coming in September. The rumors are out there. The leaks have been happening, and really, really important to know when we can see that OpenSea and NFT collaborated. Like, this is huge for SHIB. But we do have a lot more news to talk about today. Like, so much happening. Good morning, Shiba Army. Thank you so much for dropping a like. We're going to be looking at so much news when Visa is coming in. When every single big institution is going for a SHIB NFT. Or basically, hopefully, we are going to be seeing MasterCard investing into SHIB as Visa bought a CryptoPunk NFT for $150,000. Obviously, this is a very, very small expense for them, a very small purchase, and I think Visa will be going even stronger in the future. But a lot of people think, Shiba Inu is a dead coin. That is far from opposite. The altcoin season is starting right now. And hopefully we can see, at least a 20% burn in the foreseeable future, or maybe a 10% burn. But right now, a lot of people are saying that Shiba Inu is basically a scam. They were saying that 6 months ago, but how wrong they were. Shiba Inu is still here. It's still strong. And this coin will never, ever have the reach or the potential to reach this price, which we already reached. And, that's really awesome. If this guy invested into a price right now, like into the price he said it was fake, then he would have made a lot of money, like a lot of money. But here again, we're disapproving the FUD. Right now, we're seeing Shiba Inu growing at fast pace. When people thought that Shiba Inu is a scam, when people thought that Shiba Inu is a pump and dump, look how wrong they were. This is one of the strongest cryptocurrencies. But the most important factor is when Shibarium and SHI, what information do we have on the new projects? And Leash will govern SHI, if you did not know. But one of the devs on the Reddit forum mentioned April 2022 for a Shibarium release. So that is not that far off. That is less than a year. We're going to be getting its own blockchain, probably May or June 2022, realistically. So that's really awesome. If we see that in May or June, and we see so many more projects happening before that, so many more projects happening in 2021, I'm really excited for what's about to happen next. The entire point of SHI is decentralized and a stablecoin. You can sell SHIB, Leash, and BOEM, but keep your money in DeFi, avoiding all inflation and institutional oversight. They're building a decentralized banking and monetary system. So right now we're seeing, for sure, we're seeing, the phase 2, which is the development stages, but we're soon coming into phase 3, which are the growth stages we are all waiting for. So it is in fact coming, new updates are coming, and this is really exciting to see, as Shiba Inu will have more updates, and we are strong together. The more people that, request the new exchanges, such as Coinbase, that request new exchanges, such as Robinhood, we're going to be seeing those massive, enormous growths. But feeling bullish, Shiba Inu is listed on enormous, but Shiba Inu in millions, SHIB XM is here. Can Shiba become the new alpha dog as the eToro community invest in today? And you can see Shiba in millions price provided by eToro. So they have a SHIB XM price above represents 1 Shiba in millions, see below. And that's really awesome from what I'm seeing so far. They're having their own staking of sorts. And that is cool. Look at this. They made Shiba really fat, but that's completely fine, because if Shiba Inu is fat, it means the price does in fact increase. But there's been a lot of FUD in the recent community. Some had invested less than $50, while some had put more than $500. But all of them are holding SHIB. And really important that we all keep together, that we address the FUD, we talk about the FUD. But I'm staking SHIB and Cardano, and with 1 week of staking Cardano, I earn more value-wise than 4 weeks of staking SHIB. That is because SHIB is still super early. It doesn't have, ShibaSwap does not have as much activity as Cardano right now has. So right now, Cardano gives out rewards every 5 days, and seems like, blockchain and basically crypto is going to be revolutionary as electricity. Big ideas with Jason, and this is a completing revolution that was started with the internet. So it seems like the technology, blockchain, and everything else will in fact change everything in perspective. So the difference is, that we are finally going for those growth stages, but Dogecoin is growing, and with that, we had the same idea, making an Amazon shelter, partnering up with Amazon. That's the idea Shiba Inu had. But right now, Dogecoin gonna help a real dog. Chicago Animal Shelter now accepts crypto. We're eager to connect with growing cryptocurrency community who can help sustain the future of animal welfare in Chicago and save animal lives. So this is really awesome. You know, Dogecoin doing this, and you could actually see here, Posh Chicago now accepting Dogecoin donations. This being in New York somewhere is definitely something crazy. But according to the organization, crypto donations may be used to further its goals of reducing the number of shelter animals euthanized in the United States by spaying and neutering cats and dogs. And it's only a matter of time before we see such collaboration with Shiba Inu, hopefully, because Shiba Inu is going for the same goal. We already have, you know, the big collaboration with all of these big companies such as Amazon. We are having a huge promotion on Webull. We're having a huge promotion on eToro, and if you want to use and buy Shiba Inu, link in the description below. But we're eager to connect with a growing cryptocurrency community who can help sustain the future of animal welfare in Chicago and save animal lives. The autonomous dog behind the Dogecoin project was a Japanese Shiba Inu and a popular meme from 2013. Since that time, Doge has grown both in popularity, largely pushed by figures including Tesla CEO Elon Musk. It's only a matter of time before Elon Musk steps into SHIB as well, and the size of the price increased from less than a penny to an all-time high of $0.68. Now, at the time of publication, the price of the token is 29 cents, having fallen 8% in the last 24 hours. So Shiba Inu is still growing strong. This is another big collaboration, once again proving that all of the meme coins do have some value. Now, Paul's Chicago Animal Rescue Organization in Midwest, aiming to have shelters, stops euthanasia for its residents, cats and dogs, and is now accepting crypto. But FTX Bankman-Fried remains cautious amongst nascent NFT space. The prominent crypto mogul highlighted the rapid adoption of non-fungible tokens as a potential cause for investor caution. So definitely be cautious when investing in crypto. We already saw Visa investing in cryptocurrencies. You don't want to invest in the wrong NFTs. Some NFTs are seriously growing. But if Cardano is growing, so can SHIB. And SHIB will be growing soon. But Bitcoin bulls might trample, 50K ahead of Friday's 2 billion Bitcoin option expiry. And Bitcoin has lost the 50,000 level, but we are going to be seeing massive growth. Now, bears might be analyzing different data. But bulls are coming back. So 91% of the put options will probably be worthless at expiry. And we can see, so many calling and betting and gambling on what Bitcoin's next price will be. But everyone is super, super excited that we are going to be seeing bullish. We're going to be seeing a massive bullish trend lines. So hopefully that does happen. But meanwhile, bears should concentrate on September expiry, all through keeping in mind that El Salvador is expected to introduce Bitcoin as legal tender next month. So prepare for September 12th. In addition, the country is building the infrastructure to support a state-issued Bitcoin wallet, Chivo. And I think a lot of people will use Bitcoin, not a lot as you might expect, but that's still a lot of people, And FTX buys naming rights to Call Memorial Stadium for 10 years in a $17.5 million deal. Now, that's a lot of money. But FTX has purchased the naming rights to the Call Memorial Stadium in its second major sports branding venture after buying the naming rights to the Miami Heat Arena in March. So FTX is going to be the new sponsor. They had just had a huge collaboration. But the $70.5 million will be also paid to the university in the form of crypto assets. The deal is FTX's latest foray into sponsoring sports to drum up awareness of cryptocurrency. So this is, again, another adoption. On July 20th, Cointelegraph reported that FTX smashed the crypto funding with a $900 million raise on exchange Dogecoin, a company worth over $10 billion. So they have a lot of money to spend on these beautiful projects. And I definitely do think as FTX, promotes their own exchange, a lot more people will be finding out about SHIB, will be finding out about Ethereum, will be finding out about Bitcoin. But DeFi protocol Banqi hits 1 billion TVA days after launching. Hopefully SHIB can once again get 1 billion total value locked. That we shall see. But institutional investors bet big on Solana while Bitcoin outflows persist. Solana presented 1/3 of total inflows to institutional crypto investment products this past week. So we are in fact seeing that huge trend of growth. Bitcoin still growing up. But traders expect that Bitcoin price rally back to 50K, and this is what the traders are expecting. Low volume hits at the short-term pullback. So we're going to be seeing a short dip, accumulation, 75,000 by the end of the year. This is a more important factor. We're going to be seeing 75,000 by the end of the year, this prediction is saying. In a follow-up tweet, Rookie XBT noted that squiggles almost never work out as drawn, and the overall idea is that Bitcoin will make a new all-time high before the end of the year. So we're going to be seeing another massive outreach, and if we get, the supply sold off, that's when we can see the bigger increase for Shiba Inu. But in the time Bitcoin spends between 50 and 60,000, I think Ethereum breaks its all-time high after lagging during the initial move up. So the overall cryptocurrency market capitalization now stands at 2.1 trillion and Bitcoin's dominance rate is 43%. So that's really awesome. SHIB is still staying strong right now. It's getting more and more Reddit members. Look at this. This is so many new members joining in, so many new holders joining in. I think there will be a lot more in the future as, we're getting about 1,000 members each single day. I definitely do like that. I think the Reddit community will have 1 million members at some point and it will grow big as Dogecoin. Hopefully so. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace everyone.